In this video, I will show you how to create Memefit wallet. In order to do that, what you can do is head over to Memefit coin on a Telegram. This is actually a bot. Just click on this create option right here. This will be relocated. Once you click on display, just click on this create like here, or if you happen like that, just click on login. Now from in there, navigate to the wallet section. Then click on the create the wallet. Make sure to agree to the terms of this one. And you need to generate the seed phrase. So this is actually a unique recovery seed phrase for your wallet, and is crucial for recovering wallet if it's lost or needed. You need to save it and write it down and store it in a secure location. And make sure to not share this phrase with anyone, as it grants access to your wallet. Then just complete your setup. After saving your seed phrase, follow an additional prompts to finalize the wallet creation process, and after that, you can access your wallet altogether. So that's how you create Memefit wallet. Hope you help.